Xsolla Game Commerce gives developers everything they need to manage monetization and player accounts for their games. It contains all the essential Xsolla products in a customizable, modular system. You can use all of the included products or choose only those relevant to your project. With Xsolla Game Commerce, you can easily create and sell virtual items, currencies, subscriptions, and more. Accept more than 700 payment methods globally and in 20 languages. Offer fast, safe, and secure player account authentication and cross-platform storage. In this video, we'll guide you through our easy setup process, from account login to testing your first transactions. Follow these steps to effectively integrate Xsolla Game Commerce into your project. First, go to the Unity Asset Store. Search for Xsolla Game Commerce and add it to your assets. In the Unity development environment, open Package Manager, select My Assets, and export Xsolla Game Commerce into your project. Our demo has a pre-made project so that you can test all the features of the Xsolla Game Commerce plugin beforehand. Under Project Assets, click Xsolla, Demo Common, then Scene, and launch the Xsollas file. From the File menu, choose Build Settings and click Add Open Scenes. Press Play to run the scene. Register a new user account or log in as a demo user via the bottom left button. You can browse through the store, inventory, friends, and the other available features of Xsolla Game Commerce. To test the purchase flow in this sandbox mode, you will need a sample credit card, and the link for that is available on the Pay Station screen. Now let's set up your project in Xsolla Publisher account. In the demo, click Publisher Account, or go to publisher.xsolla.com and create an account. Select Manual Setup for your new project, and fill in all the required information, like the name. From your main project dashboard, copy your project ID number located just above Project Settings. In Unity, under the Window menu, select Xsolla and edit Settings. In the Inspector, under Store SDK Settings, paste in your project ID number. Back in your Publisher account, go to Login, click Setup Login, copy your login project ID number and, in the Unity editor, paste it into the Login ID field under Login SDK Settings. You are now ready to set up your virtual items. You will first set up a broad group of items, then create each item within that group. In your Publisher account, go to the Store menu for your project. Under the Virtual Item section, click Connect. Click Create a Group and fill in the required information. Make sure that Show Group in the store is toggled on. To make your first item, click on the group name in the list and then create an item. Complete all the necessary fields and ensure that Show Item in Store is also toggled on. Repeat for each item you wish to add. If you want to sell currencies, return to the Store section in your Publisher account and click Connect in the Virtual Currency module. Follow the prompts to create your first type of currency and complete all the necessary fields. Then go to Packages to create a currency package. As before, you will need to upload an image, type in the SKU, name, and description, and set the quantity and pricing. Toggle Show in Store to On. You can also set up bundles or create promotions in a similar way. To see test items you created, launch the Xsolla scene in Unity and log in with a new user account. You will need to confirm your new user account in your email. By default, Sandbox mode is toggled on, so you can use the provided sample credit card information to test payment processing without spending real money. That's it. You can now manage, modify, and safely test your item listing in Sandbox mode at any time. When you're ready to go live with this plugin, you need to complete two last steps. First, turn off the Sandbox mode in the plugin settings. Then, have a team member with an owner or accounting role complete and submit the licensing agreement. For more information, visit developers.xsolla.com for in-depth technical guides. You can also contact us directly at integration@xsolla.com or join the Xsolla SDK's community on Discord. We're happy to help.